are going to love the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, compass, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, driver and front passenger heated seats, heated front seats, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why